Turmeric and garlic, two robust characters in the flavorful narrative of spices that do far more than simply tantalize the taste buds. Turmeric, that vibrant yellow-orange spice, doesn't just bring color and earthiness to dishes. This spice, replete with curcumin, emerges as a stalwart in the fight against inflammation. Studies indicate that curcumin can be as potent as some anti-inflammatory drugs without their side effects. Garlic, equally impressive, is more than just a bold flavor statement in cuisine. This root, full of a compound named allicin, holds antimicrobial properties and is recognized for its potency against a host of infections. So in the context of cardiovascular health, garlic truly excels. Imagine the potent synergy of combining turmeric and garlic in a meal, a duo that delivers both on taste and therapeutic benefits. Quite the dynamic pair for supporting a hearty and hale constitution.